Hey guys, it's me Charlotte and this is Maddy. She's joining me on my YouTube channel like forever and we're going to change the name to Noodle Cats. So we just went to the shop and we bought a bunch of toys and stuff.
So let's start with the Ushies.
It's already ripped at the top a bit.
But yeah, I'm hoping to get the limited edition Maleficent.
I want like the Rapunzel or one of the citrus ones or Belle.
Well, let's see what we got.
Yes. I'm going to try and I'm just going to use scissors.
Alright, so
you got one of the citrus ones.
Belle Citrus.
Oh, I got normal Belle.
Oh my God.
Wait. Oh, those aren't the only ones on the... Whoa, this checklist is... Madison got the...
Get all of these. Heaps.
Maddy got... What did you get?
I got the little Citrus Belle.
Where? Oh, you got Citrus Cinderella.
Oh.
I got Belle and Maddy got Citrus Cinderella. They're so gushy. Wait, do they squish? And apparently they're pencil toppers.
So, better try that out later.
Okay, so next, let's do the Fingerlings minis. And look, there's loads to collect on the back. Alright, I don't think I need to get this one, no. Maddy, I think you have got the one you wanted. Maddy really wanted the green sloth, and I think I got it. So, this is a beautiful little blue sloth I got. Wait, yeah, I think it's a blue sloth. What one did you get, Maddy?
I got this little pink monkey with
Oh.
a silver tail.
And this is my little bracelet I got, and my charm is... Oh, I got
this bracelet and I got a little bow charm.
I got a little Fingerling monkey charm. Let's
Aww.
see what we got on the checklist. Wow. Look, it's double-sided. Maddy, I got Mara. Oh, Maddy, was that the one you wanted? I got Mara. Oh, you wanted a different one.
Okay, so Charlotte stole mine and I got Harper.
Harper? Where's Harper?
Harper!
Oh, Maddy got Harper. And I got Mara. Maddy, wasn't the one you wanted Clara? Clara's that one.
Yeah, yes, it was.
So I didn't steal yours. So these are so cute.
Adorable. Let's open the Squish Yum.
Squishins.
Oh, alright, cool.
And
So I think they're like best friends in a packet or something.
yep, rip. Let's just open it. Look, oh my goodness. These are so cute.
Adorable.
These are
Got
so
like a
cute.
little pig and a little dog, and they're just the cutest little things.
They're a bit like wet or something.
best friends. It says you can like stretch them.
They're a bit oily. Oh, they're really oily. Is there a checklist? No. They're pretty oily, but they're really cute.
Apparently they're jiggly pals, very jiggly.
Jiggly,
They're
jiggly,
not
jiggly,
quite
jiggly.
like
Oh, no, I dropped it.
squishies, But
Jiggly.
it's okay. Anyway, let's open our little cubic snake. Yeah.
Oh, we need scissors for this, so, because there's tape. Evil sticky tape. No, okay. If you hear any background noises, it's just because there's other people in the house. We're not alone. Home alone. Okay, let's just... This is from... Where did we get this? I think we got... Well, didn't we get this from
Kmart? We got this.
This is... I want to try and, like... This is so fun to play with. Look. It's one of these, like, fiddly thingies. My brother knows how to make a dog with them because he's got a big one. I'm just going to, like... Here we go. This is really cool.
Just trying to make mine go straight. Anyway, so
moving on.
these are really cool. I don't know what shape I'm going for, but anyway.
Now we have my sugar friends.
Sadly, the packet's already open.
Yes, which
they
is
were
really
when we bought them. But
and these are all the different ones you can get. Maddy got Cloudy, which is that one, and I got Woofles.
So yeah, so mine smells like vanilla because they
Mine smells like honey.
And you can clip them onto your bag or your backpack.
So cute.
Or whatever you clip things onto.
Whatever you click things like that. Okay, and we have this as well, which is like
$15.
$15, and
all this.
like just $15. Look at that. Oh, we need scissors. Hang on. Give me this. Wait. Oh, you cut the zip tie. No. I want to cut the zippy tie.
Why?
Because you have to cut the zippy tie, otherwise you can't open it, Maddy.
Fine. Anyway,
You just want to pack it to stare at or something.
I'm gonna put all this stuff aside.
We've got so many cool toys so far.
I know, right?
Yes, I cannot open this.
Little snake.
Why is this
cute
impossible
thing.
to open?
I want to try and make an M, but like I don't know how.
M for Maddy. Maddy, this is impossible to open.
And can you make an M so I can be like magnificent Maddy?
Wow. What about cool Charlotte?
I am modest.
Got it! I got it!
It's an M.
Wait, no, I'm gonna pull out one at a time. Wait, first let's look at the some stationery.
Stationery.
Okay, so, wait, how do you, I hate how everything's so, like, hard to just open. Okay, that was great, Maddy.
So I just spilled
Everything
That's
everywhere.
Nice.
So here are some textures. Let's keep those in a
Got
pile.
some pencils, 2 green, 2
These
silver.
pens. Oh, look at these. They're, like, really cute. Like, building eraser things. You can build them together. Look,
You can make a very high building stat thing.
Oh, I think this is what it meant in the list of things that block, because, like, you building blocks.
Oh, 3D puzzle block, yeah.
No, like, the building blocks.
Then we've got a love heart eraser, a
And-
butterfly eraser,
And a unicorn little
Then
sharpener.
we've got
Some scissors. Oh, look at this ruler. It's so cute. And we got stickers as well. Maddy's
2
got
sticker pads. You've got the unicorn side, and then you've got the sparkly unicorn side.
Yeah, next item. Oh my god, now I'm spilling stuff. First no, that's not in there. Wait, no, hang on. Let me just put everything back in that was in there. This was in here. What are you doing? Okay. This is like a weird eye thingy. Like for your fingers. Hang on. Look, I think you put it on
My
your fingers.
fingers grew eyes overnight.
Spin top. Spinny top. Oh.
You probably can't see that. I don't know how to show you.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoopee cushion.
Yes, wait. I want to try and use it.
Okay, it's small, so I guess people wouldn't notice it. That's good. Will it make a farting noise? Our test. Lovely.
Wait, blow it back up. Oh, it's got. Oh, hang on.
Hey, that was lovely.
What
There's
is this?
a slinky, but it's like hard. I can't undo it. Oh, lovely. That's how we do it. Cool.
It's really big. Oh, what's that? Paint your own.
3D puzzle swan. This is pretty cool. Oh, and that's what
Paint
the
set.
kit's for.
Awesome. All right, wait. Ooh, you can make your own like 3D pattern.
Oh, and spiral.
I mean, not 3D pattern, spiral pattern.
Spirals.
Ooh, what's this? Wait. Water game, but there's no water in there. Oh, I think you have to fill it with. Wait, Matt, you have to fill it with water. How do you open it? Wait, just rip it.
You're gonna do it the proper way?
Oh,
Okay.
I think you have to fill it with water. Where's
You're
the?
gonna have to fill that with water.
Yeah,
Got a little notepad.
that's cute.
Right
Oh,
on
we got
your
a puzzle.
Unicorn dreams.
We got a puzzle.
Oh, hey, it's nice to see you.
Wait, what is that? Wait, hang on. What is this? Oh, it's like a. It's like a.
toiletry bag or something.
No, some sort of bag. Some sort.
It's a bag. Oh, these are 3D shades.
Glow in the dark.
shades.
Oh, playing cards. I want to see if they have like unicorns on them or something. How do you open? Why is everything so hard to open?
When she opens that, we have a notebook. And that all came in just the one set. Yeah.
$15. Is it fine if I rip this?
Yeah, you can rip it. I mean, there's easier ways to do it, but you can. Okay, that's sad watching you. Alright. little unicorns at the back. And here's the Joker. Pick a card. Any card.
This one.
No, pick that one. No, pick that
You said pick anyone!
Did you get the Joker?
So mean. Wait, you have to let it... Wait. No, you didn't do it that time. We should go put this on someone's chair.
Yeah, do that after. Okay.
And
awesome.
that was all the toys, but we're also going to open some slime, but not on the bed. We'll probably have to do it like somewhere else, like on a table or
Outside or...
probably on a table.
Yeah.
It's really dark
something.
outside.
Anyway, we shall do that. Bye for now.
Hey guys, so we're back. If you can see in the background, look at the messy bed. We made a big mess. Well, we'll clean it up later. So we're on a desk for the slime bit. Really exciting. So we got this slime, except Maddie got unicorn, I got mermaid poo. And we got fluffy slimes.
A lucky slime.
Yours is the wrong way around.
Oh.
And we got these, they puke slime.
And then
We got refills. Like,
colors.
yeah, these
so
are...
mine would come with red, but I can make it orange
Whatever
or
colour.
green or purple.
Okay, so what one do you want to do first?
Ooh, so many. I really don't know.
What about the fluffy one?
Okay.
Because I wanted to know what this feels. Oh, yes, I got
Can
it
I
open.
send that to YouTube?
Yeah, I know. I honestly don't care. Yeah, the lid is stuck. Okay, I got the lid. The lid was really... Oh, apparently it's really stretchy. So, we'll be the judge of that. Maddie, oh, she's just going to get some scissors. What the heck? What? Oh, there's a plastic thing on top. Oh, it's like jiggly. Oh, my goodness.
Is it fluffy?
Yes, of course. It's called...
Oh my gosh, finally.
Oh, my goodness, Maddie.
Whatever, Opera. I'm done.
Maddie, it feels so weird.
Plastic seal.
It feels so cool. It feels
I'm scared by the fact you said it feels so weird.
it feels like putty. Actually, it feels like actual putty.
Oh,
Wait,
I might
is it
get a
sticky?
plastic seal and I'm just like,
Yeah, I know.
what the heck?
Yeah, I know. Mine had
I
that
thought
too.
that was the other plastic seal.
This is cool, but it's like, look, hang on. Look, if you do this, you stick it really hard, you can still peel it. So it's kind of putty. I reckon
And it
it's
doesn't
putty.
stick too much.
It's really... Wait, is it super stretchy? Yeah, it is kind of stretchy. And it's ripping. So it's more of a putty.
Yeah, this is stretchy. Alright.
It's more of a putty, but this is really cool.
Yes, it is.
So that's our putty, and it's by Compound Kings. Whoever that is.
That's a brings. Anyway.
Let's do the magical poo. So mine is Mermaid Magical Glitter Poo, and Maddie's is Unicorn Magical Glitter Poo. So hers is pink and glittery. And
Oh yeah, this is definitely putty, because like...
Yeah,
it
this is
doesn't
definitely
stick.
putty.
But
Putty.
it's good putty, though.
Can I feel yours?
Oh,
Oh,
mine's
it's the same as mine.
Yeah, it's not the best.
Yeah, it's putty. Putty does that. Putty's not
Oh,
supposed to
but
be
just the feel. Does anyone else like hate the feel of marshmallows?
What?
I just hate the feel, and you feel them.
Interesting. Interesting.
Nice.
Okay.
Anyway,
I thought you liked the taste of marshmallows.
I love the taste of marshmallows. Just the feel is so gross.
This is really cool slime, actually.
Yeah, it is.
It is, Maddie.
It really is.
Okay.
Anyway, so that's.
Wait, I need to put back in my container. Maddie, you're not waiting for me.
I'm sorry.
You should die. Okay, so...
Everyone can hear you, Charlotte. You can't make a threat.
Okay. Or can I? So let's do our slime. Let's first do... I'm going to open this thing. Wait, throw up, dude. Wait. Why are you so fast, Madison?
Oh, fast. Good done. Alright, there we go.
Up.
Yeah, so.
Ooh.
Oh, there we go.
This is cute.
So I don't have the slightest clue how we put it in here.
Oh, this looks really watery.
Alright, so it looks more like a liquid.
Do you have the scissors? Can you grab the scissors?
To be honest, I'm scared to open this.
I'll open mine first, and I'll just stick my finger in.
Okay, like, do it over plastic or something. Okay, if the plastic gets dirty.
Is this slime? Oh, it's slime. Okay, everyone's safe. It's safe,
I
Maddy.
feel like it's gonna be all, like,
It's puke. It's puke.
So how do we get it in here? That's my main question.
Oh, I've seen these on YouTube. Okay, so open it and then just follow me.
Okay.
Just do whatever
I'm
I do.
gonna watch you and then don't give it away. Oh my god.
But it won't see. Oh,
Yeah.
it's fine. Here. Oh, also, my friend told me to say this. She said to go watch his YouTube channel, Kenzie Brinkmann. No, actually, no, it's Kenzie Brinkmann. With 2 N's at the end of men. Yeah. So she said to go watch it. She's got really cool stuff on her channel. Go watch her.
Also got Crafty Kenzie.
Oh yeah, and she has
Bubble.
Oh wow, and she has Grant Brinkmann, which is her dad. I think, I don't know.
Okay, so I'm just gonna watch whatever you do.
Okay.
It's good slime. These were all from the reject shop for like $2.
Except for the mermaid stuff.
Yeah.
And the unicorn
The highest
stuff.
we paid was $4. And that was for the fluffy. So.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure you just grab this weird dude. Oh, I'm getting... Oh my god. Okay, watch and learn, kids. Okay, so you get this dude, you squeeze him, and you suck it up.
Oh, gross.
Oh my god, it worked!
Oh my god, ew.
Mine looks like boogers, not vomit.
Oh, mine, ew. Just ew. Okay,
Mine is not.
Everyone,
Like,
this is how much I'm struggling.
I did it! Maddy, I did it.
Good job.
You
Ew.
ready?
Oh my god, ew.
It's more like boogers than like...
Ew. Oh my god, ew.
Did you see that just drop out?
Yeah, cool. Ew.
Wait, that was fun. I want to do it
I
again.
feel like I'm gonna say ew 1,000 more times.
Maddy, you ready? Maddy, watch.
Oh my god, ew.
No, it's not.
I feel like yours is better than mine.
Here, no. Oh my gosh, Maddy, what are you doing?
I don't know, but this is like ew.
Okay, if
And
you
I
don't
know
know
I've
what
said
you
ew a lot.
if you don't know what you're doing, then that's a problem.
Oh.
You need to actually know what you're doing.
Nice. I need to know how to do this weird. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be back.
Okay. It would have been better if they put it in a container.
This is the slime expert, and then there's just me, the person that went shopping with her.
Don't say that about yourself.
I'm talking about with the slime. This is my guy. He looks like
He's vomiting.
Amelia or something. He just looks weird.
Mine looks like he's gonna have snot out of his nose because it's not on his mouth.
Mine looks like it's gonna be bleeding. It's got red.
Bleeding from the mouth, Maddy. Bleeding. That's just.
That's normal.
Yeah, definitely normal, Maddy.
It is normal.
No, it's not, man.
Stop talking like zoning out into black things and stuff.
Oh, it's all over my fingers.
Ha! See, that's what I mean. That's why I had to wash my hands, dude.
Meh, I can just mix it in with my green. Then I'll have orange. Wait, no.
This is not working.
No, oh my gosh, Maddy.
Oh my god.
So you squeeze
You're a liar.
it. No, you squeeze it.
Ew!
No, okay, squeeze it like this. Copy me. And then put it on your slime and let go.
Oh, okay. This is doing something. Oh! Ew!
We just dropped something.
Ew. Okay, it's all in there. Oh, no, it's not. Just all get in there. This is my guy. He looks like he's...
Wait. Let's go. 3, 2,
okay.
1. You just squeeze it from the sides. Oh my god, Maddy.
Let me just pick up what we dropped.
Here. Just... You didn't... Oh my god.
I did do it properly, Charlotte, because you did it. Okay, whatever. I'm never going to take it out. Oh, good.
you need to take it out so we can try the other colours.
No, I don't want to try the other colours.
Too bad. Look, there we go. I got it. No.
Nice. Now, let's... Oh my god. My guy looks like he's had an accident. Don't judge, alright? Jeffrey can have accidents. Alright? So don't blame Jeffrey.
Okay, no, don't suck it up again because we got to try okay, whatever. Wait, where's your one of these?
Okay, where do I put this?
Oh, on top of here. I'm just gonna wash my hands and you start to open your one of those.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go wash my hands and cover your ribs.
If you don't like slime for this reason, I feel you. But slime's amazing, so just, try to like slime,
Okay, I'm back. Maddy, you can go wash your hands. Oh, no, you don't.
I'm just
yes. Ultimate slime pack.
Yeah, let's use perfect. Then this is the only one I'm going to try. I'm not going to try it.
Really?
Yeah, you can try the other one.
Oh, look at all these colours.
Trying to almost slime in my head.
Oh, I'm going to do...
It says perfect for party bags, and
blue.
basically it is like for your friends like slime. Then.
I'm gonna do blue pink. Because I was touching Maddy's and I touched mine, my green's got some bits of red in there.
Ha!
I don't actually
That's
care.
because if you just skip this part or something, she stole my fingerling. I wanted to send fingerling, and then she got it. So whenever something bad happens, I'm just gonna say ha.
Okay.
Oh my god, I can't do it.
Actually, I didn't steal it. I got the one you wanted without knowing.
Yeah, and then I was
what
like, can I have it, Charlotte? And you were like...
No, because then you would have 2 and I would have 0.
No, I meant you could have my stupid one and I'd have yours.
Oh,
no, mine's not stupid. I like mine. I'm not saying love.
Offensive.
Weird. Well, toys.
Wait. Okay, we got it out. Okay. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on to the edge of your seat?
Alright, that's cool. So I put it in the plastic and it looks like that. That's cool.
Oh my god.
So it just had a accident. Alright. Awesome.
Maddy, mine's blowing a bubble. Oh my gosh, Maddy, look.
Okay, that's disgusting, Charlotte. You shouldn't be proud of yourself.
I am.
Alright, that's gross.
Did you just see that?
I don't want you.
Yours is gonna look. See, he looks all happy and normal until he has blue snot come out of his nose. Hang on.
Snot come out of his nose.
Yeah, look.
Anyone think that's gross? Just me.
Why are you blowing it?
To get it in, Charlotte. Alright, so here's mine, Jeffrey. Hey, Tom, what up? Oh, I don't feel so well. Vomit, you stupid thing. I think I'm gonna vomit.
He just vomited.
See?
Mine's got blue booger.
Guys.
Are you ready? Wait, why isn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that boogie, Maddy. Boogie. Boogie woogie.
You seem proud of yourself.
Boogie. Oh, I just sucked it back up. Boogie woogie. Oh my dad.
I'm gonna like
Boogie woogie. Wait, where's the lid? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna try a different colour. Maddy, come on, you have to try a different colour.
Like, ew?
Like, cool?
Okay, I'm trying yellow, so don't try yellow. Ha.
I'm trying green.
But you had green.
Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, but this is like a different shade of green, Maddy. Didn't you know that?
No, I have to go back to preschool to learn my colours, Charlotte.
Yes. Go
Did
there.
you just say yes? I wouldn't even know if I was in preschool right now, Charlotte.
True. Very true. Boogie. Oh. Boogie.
Okay, stop saying boogie because that's like disgusting.
Boogie.
You're disgusting. You're not disgusting.
I'm just gonna let that sit till it goes back in.
I'm just gonna
see. Look, it's different type of green, Madison. Actually, no. I'm gonna try the orange. What one did you just try? Oh, purple.
I'll try yellow now. Oh, that was so much easier than before. Oh, right, but I have to.
Why won't this blue go back in?
It actually comes out and goes in pretty easy, so...
I'm just going to let that glue sit.
That's good.
My screensaver keeps going on. That's what is annoying.
I know.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Oh my god.
Get the red one out. Oh, God.
It looks like jam.
Thanks, Charlotte. Thanks for ruining. I'm not going to be able to sleep now that I'm going to have that thing. Slime looks like jam. I mean, what if someone...
No, that red
put
one.
slime on my toast instead of jam?
Maddy, no.
That
Like-
would be disgusting.
Ew. Yabba-da. Bada-bada-bada.
Alright, so...
This is
Jeffrey
gross.
is going to puke.
Yellow puke. Yellow puke, I mean.
Look at Charlotte.
So, mine, I didn't name mine yet. Bob is gonna, so, because mine's a nose, Bob is gonna do some orange snot. Oh, I need to blow my nose.
Oh, Bob, it's nice to see you. I'm good.
I don't feel so good. I got a cold.
I'm gonna drink my vomit. Okay.
Oh.
Exactly, Charlotte. It is gross.
No, it's actually pretty cool slime.
Huh.
If you agree with me that slime is awesome, then just say so in the comments or something.
I'm gonna say sorry.
Yes, it went through. Yes, I can put my lid
Oh,
on
God.
finally.
It's nice. Alright.
Okay, he's gonna snot up. He's gonna just swallow up that snot. Ugh, I'm not feeling so good. I have a cold.
Why are you
Ugh,
drinking
ugh.
snot then? Maybe that's why you have a cold?
No, he's drinking orange juice, and then his snot turns orange.
Oh, lovely.
Ugh.
Okay,
I
I'd
don't know,
like
don't
suggest stop watching this video if you want to have a good sleep and not a gross sleep.
Oh,
It's not
my videos,
mean.
our videos are awesome. Ugh, I have a cold. Ugh, let me just. Ugh,
Do you think this one's the best? Do you think this
ugh.
video was the best? Everyone watching, please say so if you think it was. Because I mean, it was obvious. Ew, it's got like a bubble.
A what?
It's got like a oh, there's a bubble in my slime. How do I get rid of it?
Pop it.
Ew, it didn't pop, it didn't pop, oh.
Yeah, slime bubbles take a while to pop. Oh my god, Maddy.
This is gross.
Have you you've never played with slime?
I don't play with, oh god, slime. This is like a pretty good, slime.
Ew, ew.
See, Charlotte agrees with me. She's now saying ew.
Yeah, because it's sticking everywhere.
Ha! See? That's what I meant.
Oh, there's a bubble in mine. That's why it's not going to go down.
Alright.
Ew, yummy.
That was my last one, and Charlotte's
No.
gonna pack hers up, aren't you, Charlotte?
No, you have to open every single one.
Oh, no.
Aha, yeah, I never said you have to try every single one. Open.
Okay, well, I'll open them after the video.
No,
Maybe
you
like
open them
in
the
5
video.
years.
No, you open them in the video, Madison. I'm just going to wait for mine to sink down because it's taking it. Oh, there's so much background noise from...
They're like
Everyone's-
watching a movie. It's called like Jingle All the Way or something.
Or something. You
Yeah,
know,
that's the name or something.
this is like weird. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Weirdly
Dun,
awesome.
dun, dun, dun,
It's
dun.
weirdly awesome. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna struggle to put this back in. Oh.
I'm just gonna let mine sit there for a minute. Oh, my screensaver. Okay, let's just put that over. No! This is really annoying me.
Hey, Charlotte, can you go wash your hands?
Why?
Because your hands are grossing me out. Go wash your hands.
No.
Go wash your hands.
That's the whole point of slime.
Ew.
It's
Go wash your
cool.
hands.
No.
Okay.
Ew, look at this one. No, it's all over the container. Ew.
Can you like throw the rubbish bin?
No, you do it in a minute. In a minute we'll do it together.
Okay, fine. I was gonna put a whoopee cushion on your seat,
Oh.
but I won't anymore because you won't leave the room.
Well, now I'm definitely not going to leave if you're telling me your secret.
Yeah.
Ooh, boogie.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Watch our next video.